right? So approaches to CSS layout means, as I am explaining, whether the screen size of all monitor will be same. No, right? It will be different. Means some persons are using the mobile phones. The size of the mobile phones also differ, right? Some may have 5-inch mobile, some may have 5.5-inch mobile, some may have 6-inch mobile, 4-inch mobile, right? The size of the window of the mobile will be differ, right? I'm trying to render that particular web page. I'm trying to open that particular web page in my mobile phone, right? In my mobile phone, that page should fix automatically according to my mobile phone width. Means my mobile phone display width, it should automatically, the size of that web page should display automatically. It should shrink, or it should extract, means automatically it should do, right? So what I'm trying to explain over here is, all systems, all monitors, right? The web page what we're trying to display, it will be differ, right? Some may use 21-inch monitor, right? So monitor size will be different, right? So in 21-inch monitor, what is the size of that particular 21-inch monitor in terms of pixel? Because whatever the content we are displaying on the monitor, on the mobile phone, it will be in the form of pixels, right? It will be in the form of pixels. So 21-inch monitor, it will be like 1920 into, right? So in 21-inch, 1920 into somewhat like 1080 pixel, right? 1920 into 1080 pixels. This is the what size of the 21-inch monitor. I'm trying to display one web page, means I'm trying to what uh, retrieve, or I'm trying to open that web page in 21-inch monitor, right? So the size of the monitor is 1920 into 1080, means that my web page should display, right? It should display on this width, right? 1920 into 1080 pixel. What if my web page width is of very less? Consider it's of 780 into like 560. This is the size of my web page. Means size of my web page. I am trying to display this size in 1920 into 1080 pixel. Means it is consider this is the whole monitor. My web page will be displayed here like this. Means the other side, left side or right side, or I'm trying to display the web page from left side, this right side space will be wasted. You just minus, you minus 780 into 560 from 1920 into 1080. The remaining space, the remaining pixel will be waste. The remaining pixel will be waste. This is what in 21 inches monitor. What if in 17-inch monitor? In 17-inch monitor, the size will be differ, right? The size will be differ. The size may be in 17-inch monitor is like 9060 into 1024 pixels, something like 1960, not 1024 into 768, sorry, 1024 into 768 pixel, 768 pixel, right? This is what in 17-inch monitor. 17-inch monitor. Okay, I'm trying to display the same web page here. It will display, but few space will be wasted when compared to 21-inch monitor. The few space will be wasted here, right? So this is what the headache for the web browsers. This is what the headache for the web browsers means. The displaying monitors will be different size, but my web page is of different size, right? If I try to open the same 780 to 560 pixel in 5-inch monitor, means 5-inch mobile phone, the data is very shrink, right? The web page is very shrink. It will not display properly for the user. Shrink means the pixel will be distracted, right? the pixel will be reduced there. Okay, when pixel will get reduced, automatically the quality of that image will be what? Very bad. Okay, the quality of that image will be reduced, right? So in order to avoid these things, means we're going to create some layouts, right? We're going to create some layouts. Okay, the web developers used to create some layouts, okay, to try to deal with this problem, screen size problem. Okay, they're trying to deal this type of screen size problem with the help of two approaches. One is fixed layout, second one is the liquid layout. Fixed layout and liquid layout. This liquid layout is also called as fluid layout. It is also called as fluid layout. Fixed layout and liquid layout. Okay, why we need this fixed and liquid layout? Because the size of the monitor will be different, right? So ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ 21 ಇಂಚ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು 17 ಇಂಚ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನಾನಿವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜು 17 ಇಂಚ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ವೆಬ್ ಸೈಜ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ 780 ಇಂಟು 560 ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 780 ಇಂಟು 560 ಇದ್ರೆ 17 ಇಂಚ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can display up to 1024 into 768. This is the maximum size or pixel. Till here we can display my web page, to the entire web page on 17 inch monitor. But my web page is of 780 into 560 width. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು 50 or 60 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ 200 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಅದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 21 ಇಂಚ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜು, ಅವಾಗ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 5 ಇಂಚು 6 ಇಂಚ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ 780 ಇಂಟು 560 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್, ಆ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫುಲ್ ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಸಣ್ಣದಾದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಸರಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಇದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ವೆಬ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸು, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೇಔಟ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟೂ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಸ್. ಅವರು 2 ಅಪ್ರೋಚಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಲೇಔಟ್, ಎರಡನೇದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಲೇಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ liquid layout, right? First I want to know whether this concept is clear.